Here's PHOTOGRID app video collage maker, quite popular collage maker. One of the top ones. You can see it's in top charts. So this is the best collage app to create stunning images for social media like Instagram, TikTok, posts and stories, Facebook posts, YouTube thumbnails, Pinterest collections. So video editor, video grid maker, social media marketing tool, most complete collage app, powerful photo editor, PHOTOGRID premium plan. And then, yeah, so you can see really nice layouts, AI tools, a lot of, just AI tools, and then a lot of templates. So it's quite standard for this kind of app. But yeah, I think this app is in top 3 of collage makers. So try it free, then $34 per year or $5 per month. So there is a free trial on a yearly plan. And then there you have it. So now you have all of these different collages. All of these also they have like separate TikTok trending AI filters which you can use. Collages, animation cards, calendar, slideshow, Instagram posts, tag templates, YouTube covers, business cards. Then you have templates. Then you can create your own. And there are a lot of tools. And there is some like, things you can use in your collages, all different categories. And let's check out free plans. So there is $34 per year. This is VIP. And then there is Pro. So Pro is more expensive than VIP already. So then $60 per year, I guess you're just getting unlimited AI tool usage. So that's the idea. So this is like a normal price range in this category. It's quite hard to find something cheaper in here. And then you just have it like that. This is the app and try it out.